Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to one analysis in my last video, after we get this down move and the price was within this one, we mentioned about the possibility how we can look for trade, and we mentioned if we get the corrective move, since the what we have here is really short, we can expect the price to drop. And we mentioned if we want to look for sell, that even we point on the target, because we mentioned the target can be 53680. As we can see, the price after we get the correction drop and exactly drop to what we expected. Anyway, if anyone they get the trade, if they didn't take out the profit, it's still, I mean, at least move their stop loss to break even. If they keep the trade, in this case, we remove this one, and now we want to see what's the next. Whether we can look for reversal for buy or not. First of all, if we put this two in relative to each other, if we refer to MACD, we don't see the divergence. And the another indicator showing us a divergence, right? That's mean one of but MACD doesn't show us. That's mean one of them give us a divergence, the another one doesn't show, all right? Anyway, even we see most of the charts we have this movement, what we explain is that we're looking for the reversal, either the price reverse from here or it give us one more drop. And since both of the indicator doesn't show us a divergence, just one of them, and still we can put this two in relative to each other for one more drop. That means still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction, including the internal flat. Okay. Anyway, from now, if we get any reversal, as long as the price haven't retested this low, we will take it. And even if we get the this one, we consider as a flat. If we get one more drop, if anyone is looking for sell, if they get the sell, as long as the price retest the previous top, this is where they start to manage. Okay. By the way, we don't have any trade setup for buy now. If we get any reversal of buy setup from here, we will take the trade. If not, still we wait. It's better we wait for one more drop. This is the best option, because after we get the drop, we can see we have internal flat, and mostly we can look for divergence in both of them, in both of the indicators. Then from there, any reversal, it can give us better trade setup to look for buy. Okay. Anyway, if we refer to our analyzer, since the price was at the top, we see the divergence based on both of the indicators. That's why we were expected the price to turn for deeper correction. And this is what we get. And right now we want to see what's the next and how we can look at the chart based on higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, based on what we get here, we mentioned this is the flat and we were expected this one to retest the top. Now the question is whether still we can consider this one as a correction for continuation or not. That's why if we wants to look for trade based on lower time frame, we mentioned if we get any opportunity to look for buy, we are looking for buy, and based on forward chart, we have been looking to put this one in relative to this. That means we have been looking for this flat. Still, if we get any reversal for buy, we will take the trade with the breakout of this, because in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. But we will be more interested to get the reversal before, I mean, as long as the price haven't break the previous low. Even if the price break the previous low, we can look for reversal, even if we can look for flat. But at that times we will have a expanding flat. Then usually we don't like to trade based on the expanding flat because we cannot confirm how deep it can go. All right. Anyway, we're looking for buy. The only thing is we want to see whether the price can reverse from here or this one can turn to a flat for one more drop. All right. That's why we're looking at this correction. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But what we're looking for the sharp move. If this one turn to corrective move, we just wait for the next drop. After that, if we get the reversal, we look for trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.